Hey there, fellow sea lovers. Let's dive into a serene journey as we sail back to the charming town of Southport, North Carolina. Imagine just for a moment that you're with me on this graceful boat, gliding over the gentle waves as the sun begins its slow descent towards the horizon. There's something truly magical about returning to port after a day at sea. The way the water shimmers under the fading light, the distant calls of seabirds making their way home. It's all part of this beautiful, tranquil ballet that nature performs daily. As we approach Southport, the soft clinks and clanks of the rigging blend with the muffled sounds of the town stirring in the evening breeze. You can see the docks up ahead, lined with boats of all sizes, each with stories as rich as the sea itself. And there, right there, you catch the scent of fresh seafood cooking from one of the waterfront restaurants. It's a reminder that Southport isn't just a place on a map. It's a living, breathing community with roots as deep as the waters it overlooks. As we dock, the cool, salty air welcomes us back like an old friend. Walking down the wharf, you feel a sense of completion, a journey well traveled, and a day well spent. Southport, with its quaint charm and laid-back vibe, always makes coming back feel just like returning home. So, whether you're an avid sailor or simply a lover of serene escapes, Southport's call is one you'll want to answer time and again. Thanks for sailing with me today. Until our next adventure, keep chasing the horizon and let the sea set you free.